Alright, so welcome everybody. We're at the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride here in Chicago, Illinois. There's 100 of these going on across the world today, all benefiting men's health and prostate cancer research, so any donation is helpful. And this is just awesome. There's about 200 riders here, so many different cool bikes, mostly Triumphs, mostly cafe racers, but anything and everything in between. A lot of cool BMWs, a few KTMs. There was one guy next to me, but I don't know where he ended up. But we're gonna go through a little cruise here with the group through downtown Chicago. This is gonna be fun, so stay tuned. Here we go. So overall, an amazing day, awesome cause, wonderful ride, and a bunch of really cool people. With 893 rides, over 108 different countries, raising over $6.7 million for men's health. I can't think of any cooler way to do that, and in the most style, I think. I mean, I had to match the bike, but it's limited on footage because my GoPro decided to turn everything blue. Look at all these people. Woo! And of course, technology just never comes through. But if you get the opportunity to ride in the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride in your local area, I would highly suggest it. Because that $50 entry fee, or if it's different in other areas, is 100% worth it. Donate it for a good cause, and hell, if you see how much fun I had, I think it's definitely a great cause to support and the best way to do it. So remember, keep riding.